Have you ever needed to share your Facebook profile but couldn't remember your username? Your Facebook username is the unique name that appears at the end of your profile link, such as facebook.com/username. It's a quick way for people to find your account without searching your full name. Fortunately, you can view or update your username directly from the Facebook app in just a few minutes. To get started, launch the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're on the main screen, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy, expand it, and then tap Settings to open your account settings. Inside the settings page, continue scrolling until you reach Account Center. Depending on your version of Facebook, you may need to tap See More in Account Center before additional options appear. Under the Profile section, select your Facebook profile to manage your account details. Next, tap Username. Here you'll see the username currently assigned to your Facebook account. If you only wanted to find it, you can simply copy or remember it for future use. If you'd like to make a change, enter a new username in the text field. Facebook will instantly tell you whether it's available. Since every username must be unique, you may need to try a few different variations before finding one that works. After choosing an available username, review it carefully for spelling and accuracy. Remember that your username becomes part of your public Facebook profile link, so it's best to pick something simple, professional, and easy to remember. Once you're satisfied, save your changes to update your account. Your new username will take effect immediately, and anyone using your updated profile link will be directed to your Facebook page. This is especially helpful if you use Facebook for business, content creation, or simply want to make your profile easier to share. Your Facebook username is now easy to find. Keep it memorable and share your profile link with friends, family, or followers without any hassle.